Good day, everybody. For those of you who do not know me, this is Dr. Nandi. I have been posting problems, solved math problems on my channel for a while now. I have also uploaded some new interesting travel videos. Please take a look when you get a chance. Today, my idea is to solve a GMAT math problem. For those of you who have worried how to solve a GMAT math problem quickly because you were rushed for time. So let me show you the easy steps you can take to solve a simple math problem, which is from a GMAT math problem, which is an example of a GMAT math problem. So here I go. So it up. So, of the 720 players who participated in a tournament, 65% traveled more than 200 miles. What is the difference between the number of players who traveled more than 200 miles and the number of players who traveled 200 miles or less? So, you see, there are two different percentages here. One is what they have given to us, which is 65%. They travel more than 200 miles or more, and another which they have not given to us, which will be the complement or opposite, will be 100 minus 65, 35% who traveled 200 miles or less. So let's write those two things up. So 65% of 720 traveled 200 miles or more to participate in the tournament. And the remaining, that is 100 minus 65, which is not given in the problem, but you can safely assume that the remaining, which is 35% of 720, traveled 200 miles or less. So what is the difference then between them? It's 65%. The difference between the two categories, between the two types of players, is 65 minus 35% of 720, or 65 minus 30, or 65 minus 30 is 30% of 720. In other words, it is 30 divided by 100 times 720, which is 0.3 multiplied by 720. So the answer is 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 sevens are 21. The answer is 216 players. So what does it mean? It means 216 players are additionally, these people are on top of the people who traveled 200 miles or less. So 260 people more travel 200 miles or more. So 216 is the additional number of players who travel 200 miles or more to join the tournament. Or in other words, the difference between those who travel 200 miles or more and those who travel 200 miles or less is 216. That is the answer we are looking for. Okay. So here is a quick way of doing it. I did not spend too much time on it. I took the difference of the two percentages, which is 30%, multiplied it by the total number of players, which is 720. The final answer is 216, is the difference in the two categories of players in terms of the distance they traveled. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me a question in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you, I promise. And if you like this video, I request you to give me a thumbs up. That really motivates me to produce more interesting videos just for you. If you like this video, please share with your friends. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner, and please also at that time click on the bell button which will notify you every time I upload a new video. Okay? Let me know if you want me to solve other types of GMAT math problem. I appreciate that and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Please do not forget to check me out tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. See you.